Okay, so let's make this beautiful turmeric, carrot and papaya body butter together. Firstly, I have my paraffin wax and some papaya oil. I also added some emulsifying wax. I'll leave a list of ingredients in the captions to see below. I'll be using turmeric butter, which is responsible for the color, and then I'll just take this to a double boiler. In another bowl, I would weigh out my shea butter. This shea butter is so yummy. I have my carrot oil and then mango butter. I'll also have some arrowroot powder to make this less greasy and to easily melt into the skin. You may want to try this if you don't trust to buy out there. A touch of lemon oil and bringing back this heated face. The waxes are totally melted. I'll have this into this and I'm going to whip all the ingredients together. I'm specifically making this body butter for my kids. They ran out of their body butter, so I decided to just make a quick one and decided to share the recipe with you guys. Nevertheless, everyone can use this body butter. So I'll just go ahead to add my antioxidant. Here I'm using vitamin E oil. I'll also add vanilla essential oils and a natural fragrance oil for a sweet smell. So I'm going to give this a final whip and my body butter is almost ready. Here's the texture and the consistency we have. I will toss this into refrigerator, but first let me serve this into my jar. This butter will lighten you, but definitely gonna brighten the skin and give you a shining glow. Now here's the consistency before refrigerating. Here is the consistency after refrigerating. It is, however, not going to melt at all. See caption for more details. Like, share and follow for more videos like this.